Collagen, collagen, collagen. These are just a few different ways people all over the world pronounce this word. For the purpose of this video, let's call it collagen. Collagen has been everywhere lately. It's there in creams, face and body washes, face masks, pills, powders, and it's only growing. Now, most of us know that collagen is something that's good for the skin. However, in reality, it's that, but it's so much more. In this video, I'll be going over a few things to help you better understand what collagen is, what it does, and how you may avail of its benefits. I'll be breaking down this video into a few questions so you can skip ahead to the part you find most relevant to you. That being said, I do recommend watching the entire video. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. Over 30% of all the protein in our body and about 80% of all the protein in our skin is collagen. Not just that, but our blood vessel walls, our cartilages, tendons, ligaments, and our gut lining are primarily made up of collagen. It's a protein our body produces naturally. However, once we turn about 24, our body slows down the production of it, which is when and why we start to get fine lines, wrinkles, more hair fall, joint pain, and other signs of aging. This happens because collagen starts to break down in our body. Like I said, age is the primary reason for this to happen. However, there are other factors that lead to the breakdown of collagen in our body, and they are stress, overexposure to UV rays, pollution, high sugar diets, smoking, and consuming alcohol. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that you just quit all of these. Just take cognizance that if you do them, you have lesser collagen in your body, which is why you may benefit more from supplementing yourself with collagen. There are a lot of ways of getting collagen. There's collagen creams, powders, pills, face and body washes, masks, and even injections. However, the best way of getting collagen is by consuming collagen powders. They'll also be called hydrolyzed collagen peptides if you look them up online. Most collagen creams, face masks, and washes don't have collagen as one of the main active ingredients. In fact, most of them just add it to the ingredient list to market it as a collagen product. Also, collagen is a nutrient our entire body needs, not just one part of our skin. The skin is a part of our body that we can see, but what we consume determines a lot of how our skin looks, not just the products that we apply. Also, collagen molecules are bigger than the molecular size of our skin, which is why our skin can't effectively absorb the collagen from those products. When you have collagen, not only do you supplement your body with it, it also stimulates the natural production of collagen in the body. And it also helps kickstarts other functions of the body and helps the body be more efficient at what it naturally does best, repairing itself. Consuming high quality collagen supplements have numerous benefits. Not only does it help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and make your skin more soft and supple, but it also helps increase hair strength, reduces hair fall, it helps your gut lining, which helps improve digestion and IBS, or people with a leaky gut. It also strengthens your joints and acts like a lubricant, which helps alleviate joint pain, and it prevents osteoarthritis. There is no vegetarian source of collagen. This is because collagen is a nutrient found only in animals. There is research being conducted on this subject though, and probably in the future with genetic modification it may be a possibility. But as of now, it's far from reality. That being said, if you look it up online, there may be a lot of supplements claiming to be vegetarian collagen or veg collagen builders. These in no way, shape or form supplement your bodies with collagen. They have ingredients that may help stimulate the natural production of collagen in the body. However, experts believe that this isn't enough and it doesn't act like a substantial substitute for collagen supplements. The most common and widespread source of collagen is bovine. Anytime you pick up a product with just collagen written in its ingredient list, it's most likely going to be bovine. This is made from the meat and bones of cows, buffaloes, and other cattle. There's also porcine collagen that comes from pigs and chicken collagen that comes from chicken. The best source of collagen, however, is marine collagen, also known as fish collagen. These come from the skin and scale of fish. Not only are these the safest, but it's also 1.5 times more bioavailable than other sources. This means it is 1.5 times more effectively absorbed by our body than other sources of collagen. Anytime you pick up a product with marine collagen, it will be written somewhere on the product. Just go through the ingredient list. When it comes to consuming things, I always recommend going for the highest quality products, which is why I suggest Inja Wellness as collagen. Inja sources only the finest marine collagen from Japan and India, and with their superior formulations, I am certain you will see a difference. I've been having it every single day since the last 2 years and I couldn't be happier. You can read more about it on www.injawellness.com. I hope this video was helpful and it helped you learn something new about collagen. If it did, please like and share this video. And if there's any unanswered questions, please email me and I will answer them for you. Thank you.